Call me gay version. I produce satellite pictures of our whole planet and people use me to zoom into few places of interest from a closer perspective: forest, farm, village, building, street, and every your house. I can zoom in so close that I can even see areas of erosion and the pH of the soil. As you can see from this graphic of global goals, there is much to be done to save our planet. We are bombarded with gloomy stories. But the good news is that there are several organizations like You Can Grow Earth who are putting sustainable plans to link conscious buyers through Plastic. Earth is sustainable and dedicated farmers through the You Can Grow farming platforms. You Can Grow is transforming the earth through some deserving communities and interesting characters using mobile sport. Let me introduce you to Miriam. My name is Mariam. I have 4 children and I live in a village. I grow chili and I raise chicken. My husband, he works in the city but he doesn't come home a lot or send us money. My family depends on my farming. Thankfully, I'm now a successful farmer. I'm also called an agripreneur. I have 3 fields where I grow vegetables and chilies for distribution to the cities. I now have a tap and rainwater tank near my fields. I can now have enough money to send my children to school. And at the end of the month, there's money left over which I can save for the next year or in case of emergency.
If it wasn't always like this, life was very difficult here in the village, but then a miracle happened. I was introduced to a program called You Can Grow Egg, and they show me how to use their app, and I had to answer a few questions about my way of life. At first I was very scared of using it, but they told me that they would teach me little by little how to make money out of my land. I thought maybe now I'd be able to reach my dream of educating my children. Miriam was so proud that You Can Grow 4-meter system, which is micro learning, micro jobbing, micro rewards, and microfinance. The 4-meter system allow her to use her land profitable there be building property, wealth, and dignity. I was showed how to prepare my land so that the rains would not wash away the topsoil. I was also shown how to plant my seeding correctly and look after my growing plant without using pesticides. I was also shown how to raise chickens and how to use the manure as fertilizer using my smartphone. I was take photographs to show that I has finished my task and that I was following all the steps correctly. I was so happy that I didn't have to wait until I had harvested my crop to get some of the money.
Along the way, I would get rewards like money, so I could keep on paying for school fees, or I could cost food parcel or data. This ingenious step is called microfinancing. For tax completed successfully, farmers allocated coins, which are turned into money as a reward. You can grow, calculate the potential annual yet from a small holding such as Miriam. Each farmer is paid a percentage of the tax complete so that there is always money available to pay for essential. Give me great satisfaction when a plan comes together. I also get a cake of saying lands green field as opposite to barren cracks of land. I was happy when 6 of my neighbors joined You Can Grow and we help each other, just like our forefathers used to do with Miriam's neighboring farmers buying. In the idea they called from a syndicate. build a thriving community. Growing row upon row healthy fields from me to observe, then we go out and growing row upon row of healthy fields from me to observe, then we go out and we plant pots and we light chill fires to make the elephant go in another direction, or we make sure that our animals are safe from a lion attack. We don't have to hurt our wild animals. My old son Michel, he is part of a team called citizen scientists who go out in the bush to take down snails. We can all live together in peace as farmer, farm animal and wild animals. Each contribution to saving our planet brings me joy. All is going well with Miriam. She has flourishing crops, a glass of plum, chicken, enough money for her children's education. And substantial nutrition, but where does her products land up? Let's take a look. We are landing on a packing house out by Abraham at harvest time. The farmers send their product
there for packing and distribution to the winter market. You can place the stipulation that after packing each bundle comes with a barcode. It's a careful strategy to ensure that customer can discern to origin and healthy aspect of foods. They buy after mental is packed and barcode. With that standard, you can grow them. They to be accelerated to next place with the to FMCG, the acronym for fast moving customer goods. At FMCG company Samsung operates the distribution process to ensure that every batch of effort in delivery to relevant market forthwith. I will enable to townhouse. In townhouse, where Nina and the family are reside on farm and she parent to buy natural and fresh food. Food like silicone, and I am always careful to buy grow like kale and plum. The delicious. Most of us never stop wondering about the nameless person
who grow our food when being a farmer girl and her. At the thick in Fornehura, there was a barcode on the word pink and west. What I find the mobile app called Plastic with the information you can grow app. I access the database and come up with the fact. I need my chillers at the grow without any chemicals, a perspective in Africa. By an agripreneur called Mariam. That's interesting, but I remember the title. I can't find, I see and I can call it Tip Your Farmer. What a great idea, and I do just the future investigation. At the cover right, that I can list all the part Miriam a farm and actually pay her. To farm for me this apples, to the farm girl in me and no would have a mutual beneficial and relationship with a girl after my own heart. My husband was an eco as well as a culture hunger become interested in my project and future our debt. Her call ran the standard of converting Mariam's small holding. Whatever the end side, the turf for our interest and purpose belongs to him, rendering it illegal for animals to cut down without the permitting the service in priceless and the animals testifying situation for our condition. It is in them and the win-win situation. Differs by win-win earth, for their price-like system our can grow at the moving communication for the property to provide with similar momentum you can grow in aquatic favorable tech action toward saving our planet, giving me an earth and equating me to believe in our global with the bright sonar we acting.